My birthday's tomorrow, and I was gifted a lovely, gigantic Marshmallow Man thing. It is very chuffed to chew. I had a little bit of it. I felt like a dog chewing on it. So I ripped its head off, and I have it right there. And I thought, why don't I put it in the microwave and see what the fuck happens? So this obviously went in my body. It's probably not going to be very good, but let's put it in the microwave and see what the fuck happens to his head. At least it's not alive. 50's probably good. Actually, I'm turning 38 tomorrow. Let's put it for 38 seconds. He's falling down. It's almost therapeutic. Oh no. This is my low budget Ghostbusters movie right now. Looks like Frosty the Snowman or something weird like that. Ow! It burns. Oh no. It's the stuff, and it really burns.
You've been slimed. Lick it off your face.
Ah, fuck, it hurts. Ah, god damn it. Shit. All right, turn it off. Fuck.